Hi, I'm Sue with Nova, and I'm here to tell you about the Nova cane hook. The cane's best accessory. In fact, it's your cane's best friend and attaches so quickly and easily. Hold the open side of the cane hook against the cane. With your other hand, use your thumb, press it on the flat part of the cane hook and push towards the cane. So now that it's attached, you can use it in so many versatile ways to keep your cane close at hand, close by, and prevent it from falling. So with the cane hook, it has a rubber base, so then you can rest it on a flat surface such as a table. So then it's close by, so you can take it when you're ready to go. And then this unique hook design allows you to attach it to, say, a belt loop. So you can have your cane with you hands-free. And even with a purse, I can take the cane hook and then attach it to my purse, so I have my cane with me and my hands are free. There you go. That is the Nova cane hook. We're so excited about it, and we know it will be your cane's best friend.